Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize RX Media plugins for Premiere Pro Stabilization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize RX Media plugins for Premiere Pro Stabilization, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Premiere Pro installed. Next, download the RX Media plugins from the iZotope website if you haven't done so already. After downloading, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the plugins. Once the installation is complete, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel located on the right side of the workspace. In the Effects panel, search for RX Media plugins by typing RX in the search bar. Drag and drop the desired RX plugin onto your video clip in the timeline. To authorize the plugin, you will need to open the RX interface. Click on the RX logo in the Effect Control panel. This action should prompt the authorization window to appear. Enter your iZotope account credentials if prompted. If you've purchased the plugins, you will need to input the authorization code provided in your email. After entering the code, click on the Authorize button. You should see a confirmation message if the authorization was successful. Close the authorization window to return to the Premiere Pro interface. Now you can access all features of the RX Media plugins for stabilization. Apply the stabilization effect as needed and adjust settings to fit your project. Finally, render your timeline to see the stabilized footage in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.